How to fix the Facebook page is not showing in your Meta Business Suite. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If the Facebook page is not appearing in your Meta Business Suite, make sure to try these steps. First of all, head over to the Facebook page settings and go to the page rules. You'll have to ensure having the admin access. In the Meta Business Suite, you can go to business settings, accounts and pages to confirm that your page is listed. If not, you have to ensure business account ownership. For this, you can check the business info and check if your business owns the page. If not, request access or transfer the ownership. Once that is done, reconnect the page by going to the same page and clicking on add a page and entering your page name correctly. However, if this does not help, it could be an issue related to cache. So in that case, you'll have to try another browser or clear the cache or cookies for your application. To do so, head over to the application or the browser. For the browser, go to the settings and tap on privacy and security to clear the cache. However, for app, head over to app info, tap on storage and cache and then clear the cache. However, sometimes the issue could also be with the Facebook page. So in that case, you'll have to visit the Meta status page to check if there is any ongoing issue with the business suite. In that case, you will see pages like this, whereby you'll have to wait until it gets fixed in the other end. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.